Kamia koyese Ghana memu haseni mashire bedwemu ene amemu hunsem ekwa na ehweya koye bibia wo hono na yeni na encheye anensem betotwa bonte woche machire se Chief Justice asese na ko wo hono no nka be ya pade a anka wenyi no emfiri hono no nka won fafoforo emba na ensem woni na edifiri ex president Mahama ai John Mahama Dramani ho ana edi eba ye na wei ana semtwerofo a waga na memu hase baako ana na ya Brefo wote asemi wanfa na homene so a ono nso abaye reaction edi afa ho aha eya attention TV so ebusia yenko tie na ya Brefo ewo edekasa ansem hi ewo say Chief Justice otiswi anka beye pande a wonfa foforo embeshana.
These politicians and are making your institutions weak. This let me be so. Former President Chesa Kebeya Chief Justice way. Yero Justice Enimi Yabua said their politics said Jared Hono. Politics said Jared the Supreme Court. A judge for politics and Jared Womono. Kebeya Yen free ho. And Politician service makes me a year. She's a Chief Justice. Wo free her. And the baby says, "Na why never appointed for from? Who will appoint a new Chief Justice? And who do you want as Chief Justice? And they, ye free why? Do you ever why never follow? Now Oba, mobile to man na voice like crowd. Yet your voice be now for yen to uncommon so.
So badly has the image of our judiciary deteriorated that many of our citizens openly make mockery of our justice system and of our justices. The phrase "go to court" is these days met with derisive laughter instead of hope that one will truly get justice if he went to the courts. If people are not poking fun about politics and inducements being used to sway the hand of justice in the lower courts, then it is poking fun and making statements about the 7-0 of the unanimous FC.
Fancy wa mame. Jemusi wa mame. Jaisi wa. My question is, what are we doing to our institutions? That institution I hoping here building. But you see, these politicians and are making your institutions weak. This let me be so. Former President Chesa Kebeya Chief Justice way. Yero Justice Enimi Yabua said their politics said Jared Hono. Politics said Jared the Supreme Court. A judge for politics and Jared Womono. Kebeya yen free ho. Enu kwa and the bet me abua. Ama judicial system no kwafo agi o matumo. Na mesra o yen free when na hwan na ba appoint foforo. Ene ye justice enimi abo hwan na ba appoint foforo. It is simple. Yakoto about 2024 hwan and na ba appoint Chief Justice. And what would the MPP if MPP loses could not break the 8 as NDC is saying now? Why? And the bear party Chief Justice. What should we be doing? And why are we doing this to ourselves? When we come out, a serious issue. What is it telling you? As the politicians do not believe, especially NDC, do not believe in this kind of judicial system, no. I'm going on the Befahi. I'm just asking questions. I know, and me, I believe that the leader of the NDC currently, and as a leader, and now you're better frank, I'm NDC. me susu ye me ba John Dramani Mahama, no two ways about it. If he decides to run, me susu ye mo. Dr. Dufo is a fantastic man. Na currently onokurano. Na chadi a ocha wa shanti ready so ofa ko men this fo nche. Ono so kura minim de ekoso atentina aso den wonte. Ma ka papa se kira obey achede yi. I know whoever decides to contest the former president will lose. That's the truth. For me, no grand me de me no kura na America. De me hunu. You can have it is on no baby president. You find say breaking the head na maswa. Why na about appoint the chief justice? Now what would you expect the MPP to say about the chief justice? I am not saying judiciary is sacrosanct. I am not saying say court no womu anya fallible womu to be down from so. Enti na womu ya womu ruling we are. You betimi a kire ya dwene e wo ruling o ma ye wo ho no. You lawyers can have a legal conversation or argument about ruling. Well, but say I didn't hear. We always try to paint and taint that institution bad. Yes, I post for you. Yes, listen, and these are the institutions that governs your democracy and the security of this country. So if we bastardize them, in fact, that comment makes it look like currently we na case here how court because ankwaya bribe na say political case crowd politicians na to judicial system and na say to Supreme Court wo bu ni ma Kamia yese Kamia yese we can have our biases about issues, have our biases about court ebia mrabia ebu anaso babu na wohwe na ususu ya mra nkoye particular cases. You can cite particular cases, but to generalize it near Jegu bam. Say the judicial service makes me a year. She's a chief justice. Will free her. And the baby says, and why never appointed for who will appoint a new chief justice?
Nana ya Brefo ane yakote nene ene ne hunchire mu eba ye no University Foundation ana ye foundation asema me pa cho papa eya na wo ne number no tro to ho se na wo emfi 0548302985 kakra wana abo no de fa send no de ya fa no kwa ne hye nkran because ejuma na wo ye no eye den papa eji aha anenne medemu ebesi makra